friends. So friends, you need to hear this very clearly and very patiently. That imagine that you like a person so much. Now that person is having one quality due to which you got connected to him, and now you are feeling now you have strong feeling towards him or her. Now basically, suddenly happens some incident due to which he lost his quality, he lost his special quality, due to which you are connected to him, or you like that person due to that quality. Now that quality is over. Now that quality cannot come back. So can you trust that person or not? This is a very big question, because sometimes we have particular intentions towards particular the person, and that's why we start giving that person a particular value. Now basically, if the intentions are over, so it is a very rare chances that the bond or connection goes the same, because after all, maintaining the bond or connection requires lots of energy and of course lots of efforts. So hi friends, today I welcome you to Specialism Dream of Modern Day Empire. Here I try my best to share you one of the special stories, and based on that story I have a couple of unique models. So friends, without consuming your much time, we will get to the story. Now the story was of two boys who just graduated from the school successfully, graduated from the college, and now they are done with their education. One has and after a couple of years they have worked hard in order so that one has achieved copyright in his field and other has achieved a patent in his field. So now there are two options. There are two options in front of them. Either they can convince the investors to invest in them respectively, or they can merge together and they can start a business together. So basically, in the second option, the journey will be quite hard, but it would be worth of it, because end of the day, their patent and their copyright is very much valuable thing. And after the field which they have done the copyrighted patent is very much demand in those days. So they first tried their best to search in terms of investors, because largely investors do serve you as a good mentors and good connections across over large amount of people. So that's why their first attempt was on the basis of investors, but they failed because the investors were not convinced by those ideas. Then the individual working ideas. So they think that they will merge. So they merge and they plan a good strategy and invested their lifetime saving into that business. Now basically they are investing their lifetime savings. So it is damn sure that it is very important stuff for them. So the couple of months gone, the investment was on its peak, where a new business owner merged into their field. Just approach them and ask them one by one. He suggests that your copyright and patent are very much demanding things. So you just merge these things into my business, and I will give you awesome money. So the opportunity was good, but because they were using their copyrighted patent their business, so according to their strategy, the business which they have stable together could not work successfully or could not give that output. So that's why the person holding the patent denied it, but the person holding copyright think on it. Then he asked the business owner that, sir, you are having good offer, but here are a couple of my terms and conditions. The business owner asked that what are your conditions and what can I do for you so that I can get your copyright in a full access manner. So the person said that, sir, I am running with a business, my friend. That's why my partnership is 50%. You purchase share from my side, and so that business could remain stable manner. And I will work with you so that you could use my copyright in your business and you could generate higher. Now this is just a ultimate thunder to on the head of the person who is holding the patent, because now his best friend has changed his mind to be in the side of business owner. Now this is the ultimately the trust breaker for him, because there was a childhood friendship, and just in one moment for money he just taken this type of aggressive decision. But overall the person holding the patent could not convince his friend, so that's why he need to follow the orders. Now basically the time goes on. It was a couple of years went on. The thing was going in a good manner, because the small business which was started by the patent and copyright one will go up to average height, because it was generating a good amount of revenue. And on the other hand, the business of big owner and the copyright one person now working together, so they are also generating an awesome revenue. So friends, on certain moment the coin started to turn. So the business which was being operated by copyright person and the business owner starting to collapse. The business was facing huge loss. That's why the business owner need to take an emergency decision. So that's why he decided that he will sign an agreement from that copyright person, that the business owner got the exclusive copyright, and at the end he will offer him money. So the copyright firstly signed that agreement, and when he got the money, then after a couple of days he realized that his savings was just work, because the money was not sufficient to fulfill his demand for his lifetime. Now he go to the person who was holding the patent. He asked that this is overall the matter, so please help me. Now basically the business owner, basically the person who was holding the patent is now the majority shareholder of his business, and as I have told before, that business is also generating a good profit. So it is a no. So if he hire his friend, so it can be ultimately a good step or a bad step. Now friends, here the story ends. Now friends, before getting to more, please subscribe to our channel Modern Day Empire. Hit the like button for more such videos. Comment on the comment box that what you think about this video and what type of video you want from our side. And just share this video to your friends and family, so they may could also watch this video. Now friends, we will focus on the moral. Now guys, moral is basically divided into two segments. Here the person who is holding the patent has two options, because either he can help his friend, because after all, due to his friend's convenience only, the business owner purchased 50% of the share. That's why in past his business could survive in extreme conditions. Or he could reject his friend, because after all he did not support his friend, because when he needed the most. So it's up to you that what moral you can give to this story, and comment in the comment box what you think, what could be best moral for this story. Thank you for watching this video up till here. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care of yourselves, and bye.